Hi, my name is Christian Romine. This is my introductory PowerPoint. I was born in Atlanta, Georgia, and I moved to Mahomet, Illinois, my fifth grade year of school, and have been living there ever since. My high school was Mahomet Seymour. I'm a basketball player for ISU. I am a junior in the classroom and a sophomore on the court. And I transferred from the University of Texas at El Paso after my freshman year. A little bit about my family. My mom went to Parkland College, and she played Georgia. She played volleyball there, and then transferred to Georgia State after 2 years. And then my father graduated from the University of Illinois, and they actually both went to, or did in high school, and went to the same hometown in Atwood, Illinois. Uh, a few of my interests whenever I was younger and still today was basketball, baseball, football, and soccer. I only played football for 1 year in high school and played soccer when I was younger. Baseball up until my sophomore year of high school. And then I decided to just focus on basketball and played AAU for a team out of Chicago. Some of my other interests are playing video games and hanging out with friends. A few of my dream jobs are one, to play professional basketball. It's kind of an obvious choice since I'm in college for basketball. And then also to either be a coach or a sports psychologist, some just to be around the sport of basketball. And that's it. Thank you.